let's start that one again. Okay. Can you read me these three numbers?
18, 83, 40.
Perfect. Okay. Next question. So, in your calculator, can you please type the number 47, please?
Got 47.
Cool, can you get rid of that for me? The next number I'd like you to type
Yep.
is 60. Perfect. Clear that? Yep. And the final number is 15.
Cool. 15.
Cool. Clear that? Awesome. Okay. Here are some numbers. Can you please order these numbers from smallest to largest? Can you please point to the largest number? Can you please point to the smallest number? Perfect. Alright. The next one. Okay. So these are just some icicle sticks. They're in bundles. I'm missing one more. That's fine. So can you tell me what those bundles are? What do you think they are?
I think they're bundle of 10.
Yep, bundles of 10. Okay. Now, so with those bundles there, and with these loose ones here, can you please can you please make the number 36 for me?
36.
36.
Everyone else can start packing away for the end of the day.
And one more one.
10, 20, 30,
Yep.
3.
I need someone to go next door and choose
Perfect.
two prizes.
Okay, can you tell me... Tell me how you worked out getting that number. How did you figure that out?
So just as I know this is 10,
Yep.
and I know how to count in 10, so I go 10, 20, 30.
Yep.
And then out of these loose ones, I counted 3, and then I counted another 3, and I know 3 plus 3 is
Perfect.
6.
Okay. Can you please put one of the bundle of sticks back? Just one of the bundles back over here. What's the new number?
26.
How do you know that it's 26?
Because you minus 10, because a bundle is 10, so you minus 10 from the number.
Previous answer. Cool. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Save these for later. Alright, so they are going to get gradually a bit harder. Alright, the next one. So, this is my 2-digit number line.
That's Billy the Bob's house.
Can you please tell me the largest number on the number line? What's the largest number? 100. Perfect. Can you? So this point in the middle here. Can you tell me what number that is? Why did you choose the number 50?
Because I know between 100 and 0 is the middle number. Because 50 plus 50 equals 100, and it's up to 100, so the half of the number line would be 50.
Perfect. Alright, cool. Okay. This is the number 36. Can you split it? How would you split it? If you were to figure it out, where does your maths brain go?
I would say
You would have split it up.
I would get the 30, the 10. I would count the 10. I would look at the first number, which is the 10s, and it would be 3, so there's 3 10s. And
Yep.
look at the second number, and it's a 6, so, and you have, there's 6 ones.
Perfect. So 30 and 6?
is
Yeah.
36.
Can you tell me any other ways that you can split that number? Are there any other ways?
Okay. So you can have, this can be 2, so 2 tens,
Yep.
and that can be 20, and this can be 16,
Cool.
and then when you add that together, that would be 36.
Are there any other ways, or is that the only way? Well, there's heaps of ways, but
Yeah.
if you weren't allowed to split it in 30 and 6, is there one more way that you could split it, or like you would split it?
Everyone, come and sit on the mat. Whatever
Not
you're
really.
doing,
It's fine. It's all
come
cool.
sit on the
I
mat.
know there was one. 33 and 3.
Yep. That's fine. All right. All right. So now we're on to 3-digit numbers. All right. So let me just organise these. It's a little bit messy, I know, but we're doing fine.
We'll let you know about this. Raul, we'll let you know.
Can you read me that number?
117.
Can you read me
Out from behind there.
this number?
407.
And can you read me that number?
690.
Perfect. Can you get your calculator out again for me?
Sorry.
Okay, can you please put into your calculator these numbers? 724.
We would like to introduce the Golden Pin Award, which will be presented to
105.
the class we believe is clean, tidy, and has rubbish disposed of in the correct bin.
370.
Each week, we will be checking classrooms, so make sure you all work together.
Perfect. 70, sorry, not
Clean and
70.
tidy.
370.
During assembly, we will announce the winner and present them with the
Can
trophy.
you order these numbers for me from largest to
In the
from
classroom
smallest
for
to
the week
largest, sorry?
and a certificate in recognition.
Remember,
Can you
winners
point
are
to the
winners!
smallest number for me?
Sorry. Thank you.
Can you point to the smallest number for me? Can you point to the largest number for me?
What does the perfect golden bin look like?
Okay.
Just a reminder.
No banana
This is a,
pins in the bin, 'cause,
number line.
in the big bin,
Can you
because
tell me what the largest number in the number line is?
Well, what goes in that bin?
200.
paper, and please don't put cardboard.
Can you tell me?
Hey, I know it says it, but
Tell
when
me
we
what
dump
this
it in the
number
bin,
is.
I think it's 150.
tells us something.
Cool.
So
Yeah,
it's
that's
just
fine.
paper.
Why have you chosen 150?
Because I know it can't be 50 because 50 would be right in like in
No
the
cardboard,
middle.
just paper.
Yep.
Brilliant. What else?
So
just keep general ways.
What would be the
What
middle,
about that
sorry?
little white bin?
the middle would be
I know tissues.
And sorry, did you say
100.
that you're just going to be checking the general
100
cleanliness of our classroom?
150 would be right there. So because it's like 50 numbers
This is
away.
like half.
Oh, so if there was
Nice. Okay, cool.
fruit floating around outside,
This is another number line.
we wouldn't be able to
Can you tell me what the largest number is?
172.
Can you tell me what the smallest number is?
39.
Can you tell me what you think this number would be?
Did you hear that?
I
Alright,
think
you
it
know why
would
you
be
do that?
50.
Okay. Why have you chosen that answer?
Because I know that 100 here is I know that 100 here is like gonna be is 100.
Yeah.
So 50 would be like there if that was 100. So but they've added 72, so it would not be. It would be closer to the smaller numbers.
Sorry, I was a bit zoned out there. Can you say that again for me?
Okay, so if this was 100, then it would be here. But they've added 72 to it, so it's more a smaller number now. So it's like around there 40, because that looks like there would be 10 numbers there,
Yeah.
and that would be 50.
Okay, cool.
For your
Cool.
for your, like, I can remember. For your total like floor, you got a 4. Yeah.
That's pretty good. Could be better.
In
Okay.
your bins, you got
Have a look at that
3.
number for me. Can you tell me what is 10 more than
Oh,
that?
sorry, that was my fault. That was my fault. That was my fault. Okay.
602.
It's okay. That
Have a look at this number.
We'll improve.
I'll tell you it.
No, No? Can you tell me what's 10 less than that number?
Now that we know, there's no excuses.
Okay, 500 and... No.
10 less.
No, oh yeah, 300 and...
You won't tell me, Davis.
398.
Cool. Just for my sake. Okay, have a look at this number again. It can be split up into 500, 90 and 2. Can you tell me any other ways it could be split up?
It can be split up into 92 and 500.
Yep.
It can be split up into 400. It can be split up into 2 ones and 9 individual tens. 5.
Yeah. So yeah, that's what I said. Is there any other ways?
There can be 400, 900, 109, and also and then 2.
Cool. All right. Sweet. All right. That's that done. The next one. So can we have a look at these numbers here? Okay. Can you tell me what that number is?
3.
Where that number?
30.
And this number.
300.
Cool. Okay. How many times is 300 bigger than 3?
Good night, see you tomorrow. I heard.
Yep. 100 times. How many times is 300 bigger than 30?
10.
Yep. We've got a little bit of time left. Alright, we're on to 4-digit numbers now. I'll just leave those there, I might need those in a minute. These are the ones that are a little bit messy. Okay.
Denzel,
Smart
we're
tech.
very disappointed.
Can you read me this number?
1,847.
Read me that number.
2,075.
And can you read me this number?
7,230.
Alright, can you get your calculator again for me? Sorry, can you say that number again for me? I'll just find out.
7,203.
Cool. In your calculator, can you put these numbers? 2,469. Cool. Can you do 6,203? 6,203.
They're already packed away. No, we're not. Look how many people are standing around.
Yeah, can you do 9,052? Perfect. Okay. Next ones. Let me get rid of these. Alright, can you order these numbers I'm going to give you? This one. This one. And this one. Can you order those from smallest to largest for me?
I will not start until everyone's sitting quietly. Cameron, can you join the rest of the class, please?
Cool. Can you please point to me the largest number? Can you point to me the smallest
No,
number?
but where's the other one?
Cool.
Alright.
Okay, you're going to do another one of these. You have this number, this number, this number, this number, and this number. Can you order them for me? Actually, yeah. You can order them if you like.
This one is here.
Yeah.
I don't have to do the auction. I think we all know that. Alright, I've got 2 physical prizes and then we'll do a 15-minute free time as well.
Can
I do know that Sebastian already
How do you
has a
know?
15-minute free time that
How do you know if a number is smaller or larger than another?
So I look at the first number, and if this first number is
But our first one
is
a little
small, then I
glitter
put as small as all
notepad
of
that
them.
comes with a little
And if the
key
numbers
ring so
like
that you
these
can
two
put it
are
on.
the same and these two, then I look at the next number, and if that's
What are you
say
starting with
that's
here?
smaller than that one, then that one's the smaller
$4,000.
one, and that's the
Chloe?
larger one.
$7,000.
And also,
Alexia?
like with this
$8,000.
this one had the 9 here instead of the 9
Chloe?
here. So this one's
8,500.
smaller because it doesn't have a hundreds place. That one has a
8,700.
hundreds place.
Yeah.
$9,000.
Okay, very good.
9,500.
Mind just picking those up.
9,600.
I'll just pick up those cards for me,
9,800.
so I can just put them over here. Can you pick them up for me?
$10,000 for the notepad.
And
10,500.
we've done those.
I think we did.
Yep,
We will.
make it a bit of a
No.
mess, but that's alright.
It's been taken out again.
Thank you.
It's been taken out again.
Alright, the next one, I've got some number lines again. Alright, we're going to start with this one here. Can you tell me the largest number?
Going twice.
2,000.
Okay, can you tell me what this number is?
Can I have that written up, please?
100.
Okay. Can you explain to me why you chose 100?
Mermaid bar.
Because so
We have a
2,000
mermaid
is quite a
bar
big
pizza.
number.
Yeah.
So
Kia, what are you
that
starting
would
bidding at?
be
$4,000.
and then that would be
$4,000 for the bar pizza.
then that. So right here would be the next 100.
$4,000.
So
Going once.
so it's
Going twice.
so it's I was gonna say 50, but then I realized it's a 2,000 is a quite big number, so 50 would be around here, and then 100 would be there.
Yeah, alright. Cool. Let me show you. Here. Have a look at this number. Can you tell me what is 10 more than that number?
2,801.
Cool. Also have, where did I put it? This number. Can you tell me what's 100 less than that number?
2,000.
Alright, and last
2,000.
but not least,
2,927.
Correct, cool.
is
Okay. This number here,
15 minutes of your lunchtime chat.
you can split into 2,700. So 2,790 and 1. Can you tell me any other ways you could split up that
hand
number?
goes straight down.
Um,
Alright, what are you starting the bid at? $7,000, 15 minutes free time. Going once. Wait, 7,000. No, we wait for everyone to get a chance. $7,000 for 15 minutes free time with a friend.
2,700 and
Going
22. So you can split it in only one and
Now, because
2,700.
that was
Cool.
too easy,
Any other ways?
You can split it up into
stop. Benita's doing me a favour, and everyone is saying,
1,709. So 2,000. So you
I was
can
going
split
to,
it
but
into
people pulling out.
1,000
I
and
like it to go put your iPad into your
1,791.
bag.
Yeah, cool.
And then we'll have time
alright.
for bucket fillers. And
So
anyone else
these
that needs to.
are some
And then we'll have
numbers.
time for employee of the week as well.
Look at those numbers.
No, you won't.
Can you tell me, by looking at those numbers, how many times bigger is 3,030? How many times?
I'm guessing 100.
100? Yep, cool. How many times bigger is 3,300?
You can buy one of those for $5.
10.
Cool. Alright.
Nothing on people's desk.
Okay, so you're going to need your pencil for this one.
That's fine then.
You're going to do some writing for me. Alright, can you write for me?
Yeah.
Can you put 21, please? Just number 21? Because it's question 21.
Yeah.
Okay, can you please write the number 1,024? 1,024.
1,000 plus 100, 1,000, 100,000.
1,024. Cool. Can you please write the number 920?
Why is this not in your bag?
920,600. 926. Sorry. This is 920,600.
Who's making that sound? And this is exactly
920,600.
Tax, move out from under the whiteboard. This is exactly why I didn't option up another 15 minutes free time.
Okay.
Because that's how long it takes.
Cool. The next one is underneath here. We don't have super long left, so we'll try and get through as much as we can. Alright, so have a look at these capital cities. These are numbers. This is very outdated numbers. Okay. Here are lists of the cities.
Alright, bucket
These numbers show the people that live in them. Can you please point to the word Darwin? How many people live in Darwin?
86,576.
Yep. Can you please point to the word Canberra? Can you please tell me that number?
308,086.
Cool. Can you point to the word Adelaide? Can you tell me that number?
Next week,
1
I'm cracking
million,
down
1 million,
on all of this nonsense.
1,008,000.
You've had 2 weeks
1
now.
million
You know what I
and
expect. I'm getting really sick of it. It's disrespectful.
88,349.
Cool. Point to the city that has the third largest number of people. Point to the city that has the third largest number of people.
Brisbane.
How did you work that out?
So I looked at the ones that were two largest, but I know Sydney is the largest, so
Yeah.
I looked at 3,000 million, that's 3 million too. So there's either this one, or this one. So I know it isn't this one because it doesn't have 100, so I cross that off.
Yeah.
And then it's either this or this. So I looked at the hundreds place, and there was no. This one had the 100 place was a 5, and the other one, and Perth was a 3. So Brisbane
Cool.
was the one.
Perfect. Okay. Back to these bad boys. You beauty. Is it back to this one? Yeah, I think it is.
Quite funny.
Okay. No, not this one. Okay, so this number line goes from 0 to 1 million.
Can
you tell me?
Have a look. Have you filled a bucket today? You tell me. Give yourself a little pat.
Can you tell me what this number is, Zara?
Share, listen, be kind, take turns, include others, compliment, be polite,
100,000.
help or smile.
100,000?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you think it's 100,000?
Because 100,000 is quite close to 1 million. So I know that I know that 100,000 is like close to it. So that's why it wouldn't be the middle like the other ones.
Okay, cool. Thanks for that. Alright, so just like we were doing before, these are our numbers. Oops, that's supposed to be in there. Okay, can you tell me how many times bigger is this number, so 3 million, than 3,000? How many times bigger?
1,000.
1,000 times? Yep. Can you tell me how many times bigger 3 million is than 30?
30,000.
30,000?
Yeah.
Now we've got decimals. Did you want to quickly do them? Or should we do them? It's
Maybe.
really quick.
Okay.
We'll do it really quick?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so this one you will need your pencil for. This is the last one. Alright, so have a look. Those are your decimals. See ya! Okay. Can you actually, on the paper, can you write the decimal for me? So write 25 for me first. Almost. Can you write the decimal for 7 tenths? 7 tenths.
Like a fraction or?
7 tenths as a decimal. Can you tell me what this decimal is here? To get the 8? What's that?
0.2.
0.2?
0.20.
Okay. So the other one is, can you write the decimal for 35 100ths? It's alright, if it's too tricky, don't worry, that is totally fine.
I don't know decimals.
Yep, that's fine. Alright, we'll move on, we're nearly done. Okay. Can you read me this number?
0.28.
Okay, can you read me this number?
0.3.
Cool. Okay.
Actually, 0.30.
0.30, okay, sure.
Excuse me also for the interruption. Can we have Matilda Dryland to the front office, please? Matilda, Thank you.
So, there's a number between these two numbers. Can you tell me and write down what you think that number might be?
On this?
Yep, on that. And there's one more question and then we're done.
Okay.
Last question. Can you draw me a picture that represents the decimal 0.3? 0.3. Can you draw me a picture?
Is that one of the threes? They're here.
Cool. Yep, that's fine. Can you just put a little 27 up there for me? Alright. Can you do a drawing for 0.28? If you can't, that's totally fine.
Wait, I'm gonna put it in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, until like 20, until like 28, and then one part of it is 28.
Okay. Perfect. All right, that's all the questions. Thanks heaps for doing that. I really appreciate that. Now, like I said, this is the form that I just need to get your mum, dad, I don't mind, just to put their signature, email, and just the date, today's date. Thank you so much for doing that. I know that was not what you want to do in the afternoon, Friday afternoon.
I'm sure you don't mind them now.
So Zion, just so you know, so what I'm going to do from this information that I got from this test today is we will have an opportunity to, any things that I identify are things that we can continue to work on. We're going to do a few math sessions together on those things, okay? There won't be a final assessment or anything like that. This is just to get information for me, and we're just going to go through some math stuff.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet. Cool.
You're very lucky. In other words. Just hold on to that then, don't put it in your bag, so grab your bag. See ya.
See ya.